Hey guys, Premium Rider here. Come for my bike check. Go from the top to bottom. I got my Audi long necks, of course. Premium bars with a 8.25 inch rise. Premium stem, no clue what it is. Just got this bike for Christmas. I've got the premium headset, 2013 premium frame. Premium forks, don't know what they are. Alienation PBR with a premium alloy hub. Don't know what spokes these are, or nipples. Premium CK tires, fat in the front, skinny in the back. To the middle of my bike. Got my premium slim padded seat, pivotal, integrated seat post. Sealed premium mid bottom bracket. Just regular KMC Z chain. They kind of messed up my bike because this blue sprocket, my blue stem, was supposed to go on the blue bike, and this one was supposed to come with the black sprocket and the black stem. But it is what it is. Looks cool, I think. So I'm just gonna keep it like this. Premium tubular chromoly cranks. Odyssey twisted PCs, of course. Like I said, premium CK in the back. Got my Alienation PBR rims, premium spokes, premium nipples, and actually Primo 14 gauge spokes. Just regular blue anodized nipples, and I've got my right there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can. All right, my Quando hub. It's 9-tooth. I'm running the 25.9. And it's pretty loud. I don't know. Here, I'll show you what the hub sounds like. Hang on. It gets pretty loud. Got the no brake mounts. Awesome. The bike weighs around, I think it's 24.4 pounds. Light bike, great bike. I'm very satisfied and I love it. Anybody wanting to get it, I recommend it. I'll be making, messy room. I'll be making some riding videos soon, but I don't know if you can see. It's snow outside, so yeah. Road's still slick, but yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe, ask questions about it. Anything. Alright guys.